Everyone, by the way, my name is Jeffrey Lomakang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language.
This is level 1 and number 6. Declare many values to multiple variables. And E, B, C equals 5 and single quote, double quote, and hello. Hello, pagkatapos sa hello, double quote again, and single quote 3.5, and print open parentheses and double quote AS, and the assigns values to multiple variables in a single line, and E is assigned by B is assigned hello, and C is assigned 3.5. And yan yung code na nagawa natin. I-try natin itong run kung ano ba ang result ng code natin na ginawa. And let's try B and C S C and yan, tapos na. Kaya try na natin kung ano ba talaga ang result ng ginawa nating code. Yan ang result ng ginawa nating code. Kaya